Hi, I'm Kat West. You might know me from consoletrainer.com or maybe from a show I was programming. After I released my timecode course for grandMA3, the question I got the most was, when will I make a timecode course for MA3? Well, here it is, my Essential Timecode Course for grandMA3. This course is designed to be the most comprehensive training for MA3 timecode programming out there. Whether you've got some experience with timecode or none at all, you'll be well versed by the end of this course because we're going to dig into all the different options that MA gives us. I'll take you through this course with real-world examples from my own experiences programming concert tours, television, and other live events. I'll show you my complete process for the timecoding of a touring production, from our first conversation with a playback engineer to how we physically set up a reliable timecode signal connection to our consoles, and through breaking down the songs and recording our timecode triggers. I'll show you how to edit our timecoded shows, ways to make playback easiest for yourself or your operator, and some important troubleshooting techniques. If you have a console available to you, that's great, but you can also work through this class using just MA3 on PC. I'll provide the time-coded tracks and all the video tutorials to get you going. If you ever feel stuck, you'll be able to download the MA3 show file that I'm using in the class. This course is 100% on demand. Go at your own pace, on your own schedule. When you're through, you'll receive a personalized certificate of completion. So if you're ready to start, join me in this course and I'll make sure you're well prepared to program a complete show to timecode.